Hello YouTube family, my name is Aditya and you are watching the DevOps Guy. This playlist is especially for the beginners who are willing to learn Linux from the scratch to the expert level, and by the end of this series you all will become professional. Just stay tuned and subscribe the channel for more videos. So let's start. So first thing first, prior to execute any command I should know my location from where I am executing those commands, or to get what is your current location. The command is pwd. Pwd stands for present working directory. So if I do enter, I'll see home Aditya. Aditya is a user here. So by default all the users are created in the home directory. Now I want to list the content. What are the file or folders present in my machine? So ls long list. It will show you the folders, directories in a system. Now I want more detail. What about the size of these folders? What are the permission attached to it? So ls-l. Okay. So here if you see, these columns are here. Let's try to understand what are they. So first thing, D. What is D? D is a directory. This D represents that desktop is a directory, that documents is a directory. RWX are the permission: read, write, execute. This column, entire column, is for the symbolic link. The number 2 represent that there are two symbolic link attached to the directory desktop. These are the group on a user, and 6 is the size of the desktop folder, which is in bits, 6 bytes. November 8 is the today's date, and 143 is the latest modified time of the directory. Okay, now let's see how to check the hidden files. So for the hidden files of folder, we are having a utility -a. Okay, again in the same way I want it the detail listing, so use -a with l. It will give you content like this. So notice one thing, the directories having a D, but what about these three? They don't have any D. That means they are the folders, sorry, they are the files. The one which start is D with D is a directory, without D it's a file, and the files which are starting with the dot are the hidden one. Okay, if you notice one thing, the size is here 4096 bytes. I don't understand what is 4096. Let's say if the file size is much bigger than this, how would you convert into the MB, KB or GB? So for that you have a one facility -h, human readable format. See, so using a -h you will get in this manner KB. If the size is greater than this, then it would be in a MB. Okay, so going to the next, I want to arrange these file or folder according to time. So for time we use R. See, they all are arranged in the time manner. Okay, time wise. This is about the ls command. Now how to enter into some directory or folder, how to look into any file folder. So for that we have a utility cd, change directory. If you do change directory on any file, you will get into the directory. So etc is a directory. It's a file system. We will discuss it later in the upcoming series. Just like for a taking example, I'm doing it right now. So let's do ls on the etc. Let's check what inside it. There are a lot of file folder. Let's make it little easy to see. Okay, so now you can see there are a number of file folder present in the etc. Okay, so let's try to go some inside any file folder. So let's take xdg. Okay, so cd x, oh my bad, cd xdg. Okay, now check, there are some other files folder systemd. Go to systemd, cd systemd. Okay, do pwd. Now my location is at xdg systemd. I want to go back to the xdg. how to do that? cd space dot dot. This will help you to go back one step. pwd, my location is xdg, I am sitting at xdg. Okay. Okay, now let's see how about go back to step. I directly want to go on the etc. What, how to do that? cd space dot dot forward column forward slash dot dot. It will bring you 2 step back. Okay, my location is etc. I want to go again to my home directory. How to do that? Directly do cd, it will take you to home. Okay, so this is the cd command. Now I want to create a file. How to create a file? A blank file. The command is tuch, touch, simple touch, xyz, the name. Give any name. I am giving the xyz for the example. Okay, so this is created. Where it is created? This is created at the home location. Let's see, ls-l. It's created. Okay, and see, it's a file. It's a file. There's no d here. xyz, it's a file. Now I want to create a multiple file with a single command. How to do that? Touch abc and abc1, abc2. You have 3 files. Just one command touch and give the name. Okay, so you will get the files. Now how to create the folders? How to create the directories? Will the touch command work? No. For the directories we are having a command mkdir, make directory. Give some name, meaning test. Okay, let's do ls-l. Okay, where is test? There is test created, and the d represent the directory. Now I want to remove these files abc, xyz. How to remove? So for the remove we are having a command rm. rm stands for remove. Remove abc, abc1, abc2, xyz, ls. They all are removed. Test remain. Test is a directory, so we cannot use rm command directly on the directory. What's that? It's giving error. Cannot remove test. It's a directory. So for directory we will use -rf, rm hyphen, or there is a one more command rmdir, remove directory. Test. See, it's removed. Okay, so we have seen the ls command, the cd, the touch command, and make directory, the remove command. Okay, now I can access the folder or file, but how about reading that? How to read inside the any file or folder? So for that we are having cat command. Let's take an example at cd fstab. So fstab is a file, we will discuss it later. For example, we are taking this file just to see the content inside it. So cat command will help you to see what it is the content in the fstab file. Enter. See, this is the content. You are accessing the file, you are reading the content of the file. Okay, one more thing you can do with this, you can do the word count. You want to know how many word, letters or lines in it, so you can do w count, word count at c fstab. Okay, so in fstab file we are having 15 lines, 78 words and 666 of letters. This is a word count. Do word count on any file, it will give you this data. Okay, and what next? Let's do the same thing on the, let's see, passwd command. Passwd. Okay, there are a big file. I don't want to see this much of information. I want just top 10 lines. How to do that? So for that we are having a utility head command. By default, head command will give you the output of initial 10 lines. Okay, let's see, head HC pass WD. See the initial 10 line. What about the bottom 10 line? We are having a command, tail command. It will do the same work but from the reverse, in the reverse order, from the bottom. They are the bottom lines, last 10 lines. How about if I want to check some X number of line? Instead of 10, I want to see the 20 line. So for that, you just need to give -N20. It will show you the last 29 line. Same applies to the head command. Okay, so this is about the head and tail command. And apart from that, if you want to see the date, it's a date command. You can check the date. If you want to see the calendar CAL, you can see the calendar of the current month, current year, and the date. If you want to see the calendar of year 2026, you just give 2026 cal. You will get the calendar of 2026. If you want to see any specific month, you can give, like for example, I want to see for the October. So October is the 10th month. You can see the October. This is the calendar command. Okay, so I guess this is enough for one video. I'll keep posted you with the more videos, and will look into the other content as well. As of now, I'm stopping the recording and will upload a new video as soon as possible. Till that, take care, have a great day, bye.